Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import fonts into CapCut PC. So to do that, you're going to go to a font website. I'll just download this font here, Bethany Ellingson, remember that. And then open up CapCut, close it. Well, don't open CapCut, I guess, just like close it. Close it again. Select the font here and then select it, then select install. Then you're going to want to open CapCut again. Select a project. I'm just going to select this one. Just going to wait for the project to open. I already forgot the name of the font. It's called Bethany. Okay. Go to text, add in your text here, and just go to the font system and type in the name of your font. Search it up and select it. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. I don't know what to type. I hope that it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.